Hey guys, welcome to another build video. In today's video, I'm going to be making a new take on one of the wallets I currently offer on my online store. It's a minimalist front pocket card holder, and as usual, all of the supplies and tools I use in the video, I will be posting them in the description below, so feel free to check that out. I also have templates available to purchase, so you can try to make your own wallets and journals and all that good stuff, but just keep in mind they are for personal use only and for you to learn how to size your patterns correctly. All right, guys and gals, let's get started with today's build. I know you're gonna enjoy it. I wanted to take a second and talk about this video's sponsor. Almost everything I learn comes from spending hours and hours online researching different topics or techniques. Fortunately, there is an online learning community with thousands of classes that covers dozens of creative and entrepreneurial skills. I'm talking about the one and only Skillshare. Besides being a gold mine of knowledge and learning, Skillshare is incredibly affordable. A premium membership grants you unlimited access, so you can literally take any class you want, wherever you want, whenever you want. And for less than $10 a month, I'd say that's a no-brainer. I went to college for 3 years and spent tens of thousands of dollars on tuition, transportation, and textbooks. And I can honestly say I have learned a ton more online than I ever did in college. One class that I highly recommend is called Fundamentals of DSLR Photography by Justin Bridges. Understanding how to use your camera to its maximum potential is vital for growing an online business. So whether you want to stoke the fire of your curiosity or even advance your career, Skillshare is the perfect place to keep you learning and thriving. Since Skillshare is sponsoring this video, they are giving you 2 free months of unlimited access. Sign up in the link below and start that free trial today.